Let's start with Mangalacharan. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmetam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Namah Vishnupadaya Krishnapreshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Prachari Nirvishesh Shunyavadi Pashyata Deshatharini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Rama Hare Panchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyo vacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo. So today's session is about Vaishnav Sadachar. It is a bit difficult topic, so please pray for me. So give me all your blessings. ki నేను బాగా చెప్పొచ్చు ఈ టాపిక్ గురించి. And today as well, I will be talking in Telugu and English both. I'm not very well versed with Telugu. I'm sorry. సో వైష్ణవ్ సదాచార్ అంటే ఏంది? ఒక వైష్ణవ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? వాట్ ఈస్ వైష్ణవిజం? అండ్ ఇన్ ఇస్కాన్ వీఆర్ గౌడియ వైష్ణవ్స్. సో వీఆర్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లీనేజ్ ఆఫ్ చైతన్య మహాప్రభు. వీఆర్ గౌడియ వైష్ణవ్స్. సో ఒక వైష్ణవ్ అంటే ఎవరు? సో ఇన్ శ్రీమద్ భాగవతం ఇన్ ద 7th canto 7.9.43 the 7th canto is related to Prahlad Narasimha Dev Bhagwan. So in that we see the mood of Prahlad Maharaj. అతను ఎలా అంటే అతను భక్తి చేస్తున్నారు. హీస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ ఇన్ మైండ్ దట్ హీల్ గో బ్యాక్ హోమ్ టు గాడ్ హెడ్. But still the Vaishnavism in his heart is saying that he's paradukka dukhi, that he's feeling bad for his father, his classmates and the people around him. సో మనకు తెలుసు ప్రహ్లాద్ మహారాజ్ అంటే ఒక రాక్షస వంశం నుంచి వస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ హిరణ్యకశ్యపు వాజ్ అ డీమన్. So we can understand the people around him. We know that we are very well aware of Prahlad Maharaj's story. So Prahlad Maharaj being a Vaishnav, he is very much worried about his friends. So oka Vaishnavi oka quality, and we can also always hear Gurujans and Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada had so much compassion, karuna oka sagar. Srila Prabhupada, he had so much compassion. He has a selfless attitude. అతనికి ఏమైనా రాకపోయినా కానీ ఇతరులకు బా వాట్ డు వి సే టు డూ గుడ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్. హీ వెంట్ టు పాశ్చాత్య దేశ్ at the age of 70. We can just imagine that is a Vaishnav. So these are the basic qualities of Vaishnav. And Sadachar, what is Sadachar? So Sadachar is basically the behavior. Being in the Gaudiya Vaishnav Sampradaya, being in a Vaishnav Sampradaya, what should our behavior be? Because manam tilak kanti avani eskunte, so we are representing ISKCON, we are representing something outside. So what should be our behavior with people around us, with the people in our own congregation? Manak telsu ours is a online congregation, so we cannot meet and come together all the time. So what should be our behavior with each other? How should we treat each other? ఎలా ఇతరుల పట్ల మనం ఉండాలి, మనం ఎలా మన మధ్యలో సంబంధాలు ఎలా ఉండాలి? సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోనా టాక్. సో మనం వైష్ణవి ఒక డెఫినేషన్ చూసుకున్నాము, సదాచారం ఏంటిది అది తెలుసుకున్నాము. సో హౌ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇస్ వైష్ణవ్ సదాచార్? How important is Vaishnav Sadachar? So Vaishnav Sadachar is something Srila Prabhupada would always stress on. Like Srila Prabhupada would always emphasize on Vaishnav Sadachar, like how should be our behavior, because మనకు తెలుసు Srila Prabhupada garu అన్నారు, preaching is the essence. మనం బయటికి వెళ్ళి ఇస్కాన్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాము. వి గో ఫర్ సంకీర్తన్స్, బుక్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో మనం బయటికి వెళ్ళి వి రిప్రజెంట్ ఇస్కాన్. సో హౌ షుడ్ బి అవర్ ప్రచార్? మనం చేసే ప్రీచింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో మన బిహేవియర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? దాట్ ఆల్ వీఆర్ గోనా టాక్ టుడే. I know it can be a little heavy, but please bear with me so that we can learn how to be Vaishnav, the way Srila Prabhupada suggested us to be. So Vaishnavism philosophy ante basically Prabhupada said that we should be selfless. There should be no personal benefit. మనము బయటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఓన్లీ వి షుడ్ వర్క్ విత్ అ మోటివ్ దట్ ఓకే ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ శిలా ప్రభుపాద్, మై గురు అండ్ గౌరాంగ విల్ బి ప్లీజ్డ్. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even he himself came as a devotee. He himself came, like a Vaishnav, to tell us the real essence of Vaishnavism, what actually, all this Vaishnav Sadachar is all about. With his own behavior, what do we say is Achar and Prachar go hand in hand. మనం చేసే బిహేవియర్ ని పట్ల మన ప్రచార్ ఆర్ ప్రీచింగ్ ఇస్, సో ద వే వీఆర్ బిహేవింగ్, ద వే వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ థింగ్స్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్, that way only we can preach. So achar and prachar is something very important for every Vaishnav. So it was stressed by Srila Prabhupada also. Every person in ISKCON should be very careful about their achar and prachar. Achar means their behavior and prachar means the preaching they are doing. So even in Chaitanya Charitamrit and all the other Vaishnav texts, there are samvad between Sanatan Goswami and Haridas Thakur. We know Haridas Thakur as Namacharya of ISKCON. So Sanatan Goswami is telling Haridas Thakur that, oh Gosai, how great you are, that you are teaching people through your achar, like through your own behavior, you are preaching. We have come to know that Haridas Thakur would chant 3 lakh names every day. So it is teaching through his own behavior that we are, it is like setting standards. And also the standards for basically, we are the third generation in ISKCON after Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada, then our Gurujans, then us. So Srila Prabhupada has set certain standards for us to follow. And Vaishnavism is not that very difficult if we see, because Vaishnavism is just love. Because if we have love for our Gurujans and Srila Prabhupada, that is something naturally comes out in our heart. మనకు గురుజన్స్ పట్ల శిల ప్రభుపాద్ పట్ల ప్రేమ ఉంటే ఆ వైష్ణవిజం అనేది మన నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్. అండ్ it is not just limited to Srila Prabhupada, or the love is not just limited to Srila Prabhupada and Gurujans. We should also understand that people around us, mana chutupakkal unna devotees kuda are also very dear to Srila Prabhupada, and that should, in that way we should behave with them. So ours is an online congregation. So how should be our behavior with each other? How should we, మనకి His Grace Prabhuji and Mataji చాలా చేస్తున్నారు మన కోసం. They are providing us with japa sessions and Bhagavad Gita sessions, association. ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని మనకి ఎంత మంచి అసోసియేషన్ దొరుకుతుందో, ఐఎమ్ రియలీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్. I know that you all must be grateful as well. So what should be our behavior? How should we utilize? Even now I see in the session there are 15 devotees. So, and our congregation is so big. So let's just understand how to do things even much properly. So Prabhupada said that friendship is really important. Even between the Vaishnava relationships, friendship is very important. Sometimes we deal with people online. We are always on the phone call. We don't understand that మనం వాళ్ళతో ఎలా మాట్లాడుతున్నాము, వాళ్ళ situation ఏంది. But we should always understand that a Vaishnav should be like, an ocean of karuna. Because we know that we say Krishna Pranam Mantra. In that we are saying that, hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu. So we are addressing Krishna as Karuna Sindhu. Even our Gurujans are Karuna Sagar. So మన బేసిక్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఏముండాలంటే, మనం ఆ కరుణ ఒక లిటిల్ డ్రాప్ వీఆర్ క్యారింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ అస్. దట్ కైండ్నెస్ వీఆర్ క్యారింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ అస్ ఫర్ ద పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ అస్. సో సమ్టైమ్స్ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ దట్ మనకి ఎవరి ఒక బిహేవియర్ నచ్చట్లేదు, ఎవరితోనో మనకి ఫిట్ అవ్వట్లేదు అని చాలా మాటికి మన మైండ్ లో వస్తూ ఉంటది. సో హౌ టు డీల్ విత్ దాట్? His Holiness Bhakti Charu Maharaj in his sessions, he was saying that we should always remain silent and respectful. If we are not liking somebody's behavior, so we should remain silent and very very respectful towards that person. With that, in that way we are not creating any sort of disturbances between us, and we are having a loving exchange. And we should also understand ఈ ప్రేమ అనేది మన మధ్య ఎలా ఉండాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? వాట్ షుడ్ బి ద డ్రైవింగ్ ఫోర్స్? దీనికి ఆ ప్రేమకి సోర్స్ ఏంది? we should always remind ourselves that it is Krishna. We should keep Krishna as center in all the relationships we are having. Even the devotee association we are getting online, we must understand that, okay, Krishna is being so merciful. Srila Prabhupada is so merciful that he is giving me association of his devotees. In that way, the love for Krishna and love for Srila Prabhupada and our Gurujans should be reflected in the relationship with the other devotees. So if me and Bansi Mataji are really good friends, even before coming to ISKCON, we were very good friends. So, but there is a certain change, like, I can tell it with the practical example. When we are keeping Krishna as the center, before this also we would talk a lot and all, but I can see that seeing Krishna as the center and understanding that okay, she is a person whom Krishna has sent in my life. That makes me even much more, appreciating and grateful for Bansi Mataji. So having her in my life, it is like, okay, I have always a pillar. So she is representing Krishna in my life. She is representing the kindness of Krishna in my life. So Bansi Mataji, she is representing the Krishna's kindness in my life. So this way we can understand it. It was just an example with Bansi Mataji, but देखा जाए तो the kindness, we should always understand that we are representing ISKCON. Be kind, do kind acts because we are representing ISKCON. Always, whenever we are out, we must understand that we are carrying the legacy of Srila Prabhupada with us. That Srila Prabhupada has built ISKCON, and we all know that ISKCON is very big, and it is very good that there is a good reputation of ISKCON all over. So we must always understand that we are maintaining it and not bringing any sort of disgrace and not bringing any sort of bad impression on the name of Srila Prabhupada and ISKCON. And not just that, our behavior with all the fellow devotees should be full of love and friendship, and love which is motivated in a spiritual way that is coming from Krishna and Srila Prabhupada. We should always see and appreciate devotees around us. Like, we should be always grateful. Now I am really grateful for all the people who are here, even though I'm speaking. So I'm really grateful that all of you have come. I'm grateful for the people who have on the cameras. And so we should always, appreciate and have a humble heart with the devotees. And, we should always make them feel loved. Even we know that devotees are not active, so we are approaching and things, but sometimes me as a person I get very harsh with them. But this Vaishnav Sadachar lecture for me has been, when I was preparing for the lecture, I was understanding that okay, how can my dealings be better with the devotees around me? హౌ కెన్ ఐ డీల్ విత్ దమ్ ఇన్ అ బెటర్ వే? నేను ఎలా వాళ్ళని మంచిగా ట్రీట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎలా వాళ్ళని అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దెర్ ఈస్ సో మచ్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ విత్ పీపుల్, నాట్ జస్ట్ దాట్. దెర్ ఈస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ విత్ ఎవ్రీబడి, maybe in my life, in everybody's life. So we must understand that we are kind and compassionate, and we are showing that part of love that Krishna holds for everyone. We are representing Srila Prabhupada. Ultimately we are representing Krishna himself, बिकॉज क्या बोलते हैं, ये देखो हरे कृष्णा वाले हैं ये लोग तो. So we should understand that what we are holding and how do we progress forward. So let us come, like how should be our behavior with our seniors and juniors and our equals. సో మనం సీనియర్స్ ని కలిసినప్పుడు మనం చాలా ఆనందపడాలి. ఓకే, దెర్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ న్యూ టు లెర్న్, there is something I can learn and implement in my life and move forward in the journey of Krishna consciousness. And when we meet our juniors, that we must not be that centered that is my junior, but we must understand that yes, okay, I should be kind and compassionate. It is for myself also, because I get very easily, harsh and all. I start yelling and all. But still, and then while preparing for the lecture, I was understanding, okay, kindness, I should carry Krishna's kindness inside me, because I am ultimately representing Krishna. So not, it might seem impersonal sometimes. Are ha, people don't even consider God. Like reciprocation of Krishna Seva from one very to another. Sorry, Prabhu, I couldn't understand. Maybe we can, you can speak at the end of the session, whatever, like, you are trying to say. I'm really sorry. So, Srila Prabhupada would always say I'm sorry, I think I just cut the point in somewhere middle. I'm really sorry. So, Srila Prabhupada would always say, a Gaudiya Vaishnava should live a life of purity and honesty. With purity, we know that Prabhupada would always say that purity is the force. So, from that, we should always be firm to follow the four regulative principles which have been given to us, and always propagate that thing, and understanding the behavior that Srila Prabhupada has given those four regulative principles to maintain the purity of oneself. And I was talking about appreciation and gratitude for other devotees. From that, I remember in one lecture, Maharaj was saying that Prabhupada, when he was there in Pashyata Desh and in the early days with his disciples, Prabhupada would say, Prabhupada would cry. Prabhupada would cry and he would say that all of you, each one of you has been sent by my Guru Maharaj, and it is not me. You are all very great. It is Prabhupada's words. He was always very grateful for the devotees. He was always very grateful for his disciples, and see the Guru Nishta also. He's saying that it is my Guru Maharaj who has sent you to, because it was the instruction given by Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada himself, that ki మీరు వెళ్ళి పాశ్చాత్య దేశంలో ప్రీచింగ్ చెయ్యాలి అనే ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కూడా భక్తి సిద్ధాంత సరస్వతి ఠాకూర్ ప్రభుపాద్ వాళ్ళే ఇచ్చారు. సో యూ వుడ్ సే దట్ you people have been sent by my Guru Maharaj. See the gratitude and appreciation Srila Prabhupada is holding for the disciples. So we can understand. Even there was an instance, Srila Prabhupada, when he was about to leave his body, Srila Prabhupada said, "Your love for me will be seen in the corporation, in your corporation after I leave this world." Prabhupada meant was, after Srila Prabhupada leaves this material world, ఈ భౌతిక ప్రపంచాన్ని వదిలేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ హిస్ తిరోభావ్, మనం ఎంతెంతనో మన మధ్యలో కోఆపరేట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద లవ్ వి హోల్డ్ ఫర్ శిల ప్రభుపాద్. So, and many a times we fail to understand all such things. We must understand one thing, that we are very conditioned. మనకి వేరే వాళ్ళలో ఫాల్ట్స్ కనిపించినా కానీ we must understand that we are very conditioned. We cannot see anything. We must understand the vision. Srila Prabhupada has given Krishna consciousness to each and every one of us. So we must see that, okay, Srila Prabhupada found this person deserving. Srila Prabhupada found this person deserving. Who am I to judge? Who am I to see any faults in a person? We must always understand that a lot is going on with every person. Many things are going on. Maybe in this situation, this person is acting this way, but who knows? Who knows what struggles is he going through? What efforts is he putting in his sadhana? What efforts is putting for the service of Shri Guru and Gauranga? Sorry, we do not know anything because we are very conditioned. So with that, we should actually be very compassionate, grateful, loving, selfless, and always remembering the love of Krishna when we are seeing the fellow devotees and even the outsiders. Because in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that he is present in everybody's heart. He is present in everybody's heart. So our worshipable Lord Krishna is there in everyone. Even though somebody is hurting me, I must understand that, okay, it must be my karma. It must be me, but not the other person. How can a person within whose heart Krishna is sitting can hurt me? It can also be possible only in a material condition, but not in any other way, because we all belong to Krishna. We all belong to Krishna, and we have this propensity, like what is said, that the qualities which are there in Krishna, they are there in the living entities also. So we must understand the love and care is there, but it is just our conditioned nature which is not allowing us to see through it. It is just us and not the other person. And apart from that, we should carry Krishna's kindness every time with us, doing kind acts, being kind with others, because we are representing ISKCON. And more than that, in this cooperative spirit, like being together, like Srila Prabhupada would stress, నేను వెళ్ళిపోయాక తర్వాత కూడా మీరు అందరూ ఒకటే లాగా ఉండాలి. Because in this Kali Yuga, we see that Maya is very strong. Maya is very strong that she can break us left, right, center, everywhere. So it is very important that we take association of the devotees and we progress forward, because association, we have seen in the Shastra also, there are many references that we should take association of the devotees so that our lives will transform. For example, Narad Muni and the Mrigari. When Narad Muni, Mrigari, Mrigari, when he took the association of Narad Muni, his life changed. Mrigari means a hunter. What do you say, hunter? Yeah, in Telugu, I don't know. I'm really sorry. Shravya Mataji, if you can translate it, I'm sorry. So a hunter,
వేటగాడు వేటగాడు
Vetagadu. Okay.
వేటగాడు యా.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Thank you. So, Mrigari means a Vetagadu, and Narad Muni, we know that he is a pure devotee of Krishna. So, Mrigari, he was hunting animals. Animals ni చంపేవారు. కానీ నారద్ ముని ఒక కాంటాక్ట్ లో వచ్చిన తర్వాత, అతని ఒక నారద్ ముని ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత, హిస్ లైఫ్ చేంజ్డ్. హిస్ లైఫ్ చేంజ్డ్. But how did it change? How did it change? We are also having instructions of Srila Prabhupada or Gurujans, but my life is definitely changing, but in a little slower pace. So it is also the efforts and surrender and the faith we are putting in those words. When we have complete surrender, Narad Muni told Mrigari, you leave everything and go live with your wife in some forest and, do not do anything, just live and spread the glories of Lord. Mrigari started to do that. And at the end, what did happen? His life changed. And when Narad Muni, after so long years, came to meet Mrigari again, నారద్ ముని ఎప్పుడైతే మృగాని వేటగాడిని మళ్ళీ కల్వనికి వచ్చినప్పుడు, హీ వాజ్ జంపింగ్, అతను జంప్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో నారద్ ముని ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్, ఎందుకు జంప్ చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు? కాదు, కింద చీమలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాళ్ళ మీద వీటి మీద స్టెప్ చేయొద్దు, నేను అందుకే నేను జంప్ చేస్తున్నా. సి, ఆ పర్సన్ హూ వుడ్ కిల్ యానిమల్స్ వాజ్ చేంజ్డ్ టు నాట్ ఈవెన్ టు సీ ఈవెన్ అ యాంట్ యాజ్ అ లివింగ్ ఎంటిటీ. మనమైతే సరే చీమనే కదా అని అనుకోవచ్చు, కానీ ఒక వేటగాడు, హీస్ జంపింగ్ ఓవర్ దాట్. సి, in the association of pure devotee, the compassion, selfless nature, and the love for every living entity comes. So we must understand that మనకి డివోటీ అసోసియేషన్ దొరికింది. మనం చాలా లక్కీ అసలుకైతే. ఎందుకంటే మనం బయటికి కూడా వెళ్తలేము, ఇంట్లోనే కూర్చొని మనకి అసోసియేషన్ దొరుకుతుంది అంటే ఎంత లక్కీ అంటే అంత లక్కీ. ఈ మనుష్య, యా, 24 hours అసోసియేషన్. ఎస్, ఈ మనిషి యొక్క శరీరం దొరకడమే చాలా గొప్పదంటే, మనకి దాంట్లో టెంపుల్ వెళ్ళే అవసరం కూడా లేకుండా ప్రభుజీ మాతాజీ మనకి 24 hours అసోసియేషన్ అరేంజ్ చేసినారు. మన మెంటర్స్, ఈవెన్ శ్రవ్య మాతాజీ అండ్ శ్రవణి మాతాజీ, they're always available. They're always available for us to, any kind of difficulty we are having, anything we are having. Yeah, our Zoom temple, like, yeah, with that I remember I was reading His Holiness Loknath Swami Maharaj's book, and that he was writing, he was giving one example. ఒక పెద్ద స్టిక్ ఉంది, దాన్ని ఇరగొట్టాలంటే చాలా ఈజీ, దాన్ని ఇరగొట్టొచ్చు. ఆ 2 pieces అయిన దాంట్ని కూడా మనం ఇంకా పీసెస్ లో ఇరగొట్టొచ్చు. కానీ దెన్ మహారాజ్ వాజ్ సేయింగ్, బట్ ఇఫ్ వి పుట్ దోస్ స్టిక్స్ టుగెదర్, ఆ స్టిక్స్ ని ఒకటేసారి పెడితే, మాయా won't have that much strength to break those sticks. So we must understand, if we are going individually, మనంతలే సొంతంగా వెళ్ళిపోతుంటే, we are very prone to Maya, prone to the attacks of Maya. Maya can break us like this. But when we are going together in the association of devotees, Maya will also be like, okay, they have got something strong. Okay, I should use some other tactics. So Prabhupada would yes, so yes, as Shravya Mataji is saying, we in the morning, Loknath Maharaj is so merciful that he is giving his association to us every day. If you are not able to join KB Japa sessions, at least take out time and join His Holiness Loknath Swami Loknath Swami Maharaj Japa sessions. Maharaj is so merciful, even when he's traveling, even when he's busy, even when he's having so much of work, he takes out time. And we must understand, Maharaj even said that ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో మనకి కృష్ణ కాన్షియస్నెస్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ అని అడిగితే మనం ఏమంటామంటే వి వాంట్ టు గో బ్యాక్ హోమ్ బ్యాక్ టు గాడ్ హెడ్ అని అంటాము. కానీ హౌ ఇస్ దట్ పాసిబుల్? మనం ఒక్కరి ఎఫర్ట్స్ తో అనేది పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఓకే, ఎస్ వీ నీడ్ అవర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్, బట్ వీ మస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ మనం ఎక్కడ ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెడుతున్నాము. ఆర్ వి పుట్టింగ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ వే? Right way, what is the right way of putting efforts? It is in the association of devotees. So Loknath Maharaj, I remember in his in his like session, yeah, in his session he was saying, Maharaj was saying, those who ever come to my this Zoom temple, those who attend the japa sessions in the morning, there is guarantee, that they will go back home, back to Godhead. That is the potency Vaishnav is holding. So we started with Vaishnav Sadachar and we are talking about the glories of a pure devotee again. So because Vaishnav Sadachar is not something that, okay, it is given a set of rules. No, our Gurujans are showing it practically through their life. They are living Vaishnav Sadachar. Even Loknath Swami Guru Maharaj or His Holiness Bhaktisaru Maharaj, as I was hearing his lectures today, they are living, what do we say? Jaise Maharaj was saying that Prabhupada has set some standards of ISKCON, and it is the basic responsibility of each and every person in ISKCON to follow those standards, because we say that Srila Prabhupada is our first Siksha Guru. And we know the importance of our founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada. So yes, the standards set by him are our everything. And it is also said that Vaishnav Sadachar are ornament of a Vaishnav. As a poster lo rashundi, ornament of a Vaishnav. So our Gurujans are following the standards set by Srila Prabhupada. Our Gurujans in their daily lives, in their each and every activity, they are, following the standards set by Srila Prabhupada. So through this, we understand there are only few points to summarize. It is just that a Vaishnav, how should he be? He should be kind and compassionate. It is a basic thing. Because we know in this Kali Yuga there are many non-devotees and we have to interact with people outside. We talk to them and we are basically living most of the time, spending our time with non-devotees only because we are students having job and everything. So we must understand, because we are representing things outside, we must always be careful of our behavior. Apart from that, because we are an online congregation, we must always understand that mana behavior ela undo mana fellow devotees soni. We must always be appreciating and grateful. We must recognize little things. Endukante we are again carrying the kindness of Krishna. We must understand that, okay, this person is doing good. This person is showcasing the quality of Krishna. As you were saying that everybody has qualities of Krishna. If somebody is doing good kirtan, or if somebody is, doing good seva, we must understand that, okay, that kirtan, the quality of kirtan is coming from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. The movement was started by him. So that is how we must always connect things with Krishna and always appreciate and love the devotees. That is how the transformation and true following of the Vaishnav Sadachar, just as Prabhupada said, that it is, a basic responsibility. And in Chaitanya Charitamrit, there is a verse which says that a life of Vaishnav is like a white cloth. Vaishnavi oka life is like a white cloth. దాని మీద ఏదన్నా చెడు ఉంటే it is like a black spot. I know we are still at the early stage, but we can always take inspiration and move forward in a positive direction that, okay, I can bring changes, and always relying on Guru and Krishna. We must understand that how much ever we understand the philosophy and everything, we have no strength to do anything, whether it be saying once Krishna. It also requires so much of spiritual strength. So we must always understand it is always Sri Guru and Gauranga and our efforts. Like in Damodar Leela, we know that Yashodamaya was trying to tie Damodar. Damodarని కట్టనికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. కానీ ప్రతిసారి 2 inches షార్ట్ అంట. సో హౌ ఇస్ దట్? దెన్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ అవర్ గురుజన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ those 2 inches were Yashoda Maiya's efforts and Krishna's mercy. Yes, Krishna's kripa. Yes, Prabhu. So it was Yashoda Maiya's efforts first. And ఎంతెంతో రోప్ షార్ట్ పడుతూ ఉన్నా కానీ she was continuously putting in efforts. She's not understanding that, how can a big rope not tie little Krishna? Then again, only by Krishna's mercy, our duty is to put in efforts. For Vaishnav Sadachar also, we can put in constant efforts because we know that we are full of anarthas, we Kalyuga jivas. But we should understand that we should continuously put efforts, and by the mercy of Sri Guru and Gauranga and Srila Prabhupada, everything will be in its place and we will move forward in a positive direction. Being compassionate, kind, and loving towards fellow devotees, appreciating them, feeling gratitude. All these are the points which I can summarize. And let's try to apply. Please bless me also so that, not just a lip service. Instead of a lip service, I can actually apply these points to my life. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubheva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo. Hari Bol.